Did you know that in 2022, 14 EU countries had a similar taxation rate for biofuel and for fossil fuel, and this regardless of their carbon intensity? Well, this information and many more are now available on the FuelsEurope statistical reports. As every year, you will be able to find high-quality, verified and reliable facts about the fuel manufacturing industry. This 2023 edition contains over 60 graphs based on the most updated information currently available for our sector. So this includes data on taxation, prices and margin, global energy market, but also oil product demand and international trade flows. You will also be able to find more information about fuel specification as well as the environmental performance of the industry. Last but not least, we have a full section dedicated to import dependency. So if you want to know more, go now on the FuelsEurope website to check the reports.